I'm back again. Welcome to Rosedale Road, Romford. Let's come and take a look. Firstly, we walk into this living room. Beautiful bay window at the front. It's open plan to the dining room. However, you do have double doors so you can shut the room off if you did want separate rooms. Also, a surprise, this used to be the kitchen. It's now a study area. Let's come and take a look at the rest of the house. Now we come to the extended part of the house. Wow, what a beautiful kitchen diner. Breakfast bar, sitting area. We've got a fully fitted kitchen with beautiful views over that garden. This garden is special. This is the place that you want to be spending your evenings in. We've got a built-in brick barbecue, beautiful seating area, stepping down into this beautiful decking area. It carries on. If you need to cool down, we've got another seating area. This one's covered. Beautiful lawn area all the way to the back of the property. This property doesn't have a garage at the front, but it does have this humongous storage shed at the bottom of the garden. Come and take a look. Firstly, we walk into this really light and bright main bedroom. Loads of fitted wardrobes, big bay window overlooking the front of the property. Take a look. Next we have the second bedroom. Again, more storage, loads of fitted wardrobes. Double room, again overlooking that beautiful garden. Okay, lastly, we're going to have a look at the third bedroom. Again, faces the front of the property, perfect for a single room. Upstairs we also have a family bathroom with a corner bath and electric power shower. Why have you not subscribed yet?